like I say, all these pretty much involve just learning how to use a list. So you have rows of numbers. And so for each row, you want to determine the difference between the largest and the smallest value. So here it would be 9 and 1, so the difference is 8. Here it would be 7 and 3, so the difference would be 4. And here it would be 8 and 2, so the difference would be 6. So just find the sum of all the differences. So again, it's just a question of creating a data structure and then looping through and calculating those things as we've done before. And here, find the only two numbers in each row where one evenly divides the other. So for example, up here, given this spreadsheet, looks like 2 evenly divides 8. So the result of that division is 4, 8 over 2. 9 over 3 would be 3. And looks like 6 over 3 would be 2. All right, that's the question. So just have to find, again, just you have to loop through the items and perform a test. One thing that's not obvious to me is there will be only one pair in every row, but I guess they've carefully designed it to make sure only one pair evenly divides the other. And a handy thing to know about evenly dividing something is you could use the divmod function that we used in the example there to see if the remainder is 0, or you could use percent modular to see if because 9 modulus 2 is 1, but 8 modulus 2 is 0. So 8% 2 equals 0 would be a way to find out if there's a division there. But there's a lot of ways to do it if there's an even division. So that's it.